Hello, if you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, you're not gonna know what's happening, man. So, go watch them if you want. Or continue at your own will, I guess. Oh? Wait, novels? As in, like, visual novels? Okay. Wait a minute. This is actually now like a visual novel. Oh, okay. I guessed it. Oh, shit. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what to do. That's a good plan, man. Oh, reach. Fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck. Where's the ring? She's the devil in disguise. Great song by Elvis Presley. This is sick. Oh, I love the fucking pout. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Why the hell are you in my house? Oh, fuck, she's got the ring. Oh, fuck, please. Please. Please, can I have the ring back? Oh. Oh shit. Where's she gone? She's meditating. I'm a pro at tic-tac-toe. Oh, come on, let's play tic-tac-toe. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm a ring-obsessed freak. Yes, I do. It's a weird habit. Yes, I am. A magic ring. They all do love games. Alright, we're doing the strat. Oh no. Oh, I just fucked it, haven't I? I'm not good at tic-tac-toe. I take it back. She's just gonna go there. Oh no. Fuck, she caught. Oh no. Oh shit, I've found. Fuck!
What are you doing here of all places?
Fuck.
How many Mitas will you go through before you settle down?
Fuck!
What's the deal with this thing? I hate this flat world so much. Such a boring pile of shit.
Oh,
Hey,
this is sick. Oh, this is fucking sick. Ah. Oh, I love this art. This is so cute. No, come with us, please. Oh. What the fuck? What?
I'm back.
Oh my god! You scared me! Oh man! My save! Oh no!
Oh,
I don't get it. Where did the game go? You ruined the entire route. What do you want?
I need the version.
Huh?
I have to get back to the old version somehow.
Listen up. I'm way too busy to entertain fools like yourself.
no,
Busy with
please.
what? Games?
Look at him. What a jerk. The friendship between us was not to be.
Listen, I need to get to the core.
Ow, ow, ow. It's your fault I got hurt. Wait. Huh?
I need to get to the core and stop Mita.
Mita? Do what you please. I don't care about her. Not the first, not the 100th.
Please.
You're Mita too.
I'm Mila.
Oh, hello, Mila.
La?
It's Mita this, Mita that, Mita here, Mita there, Mita everywhere.
So, you're Mila.
Yes, I told you. How slow can you be?
Well, good luck then, Mila.
Where are you going? Think
I need
you
to get
can
the
just
fuck
walk
out of here.
like that?
Yes. Yes, I do. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Fuck yes. Look at him. Why do you have a Can I take that? No. Alright. Oh, that's sick.
Did you think you'd find something in there?
Yes.
Oh, hell nah!
Oh,
What
hell
is
no.
this?
What were you expecting?
An exit.
Wonderland?
Then, where's the way out? There's supposed to be a passage here.
There's no way out.
Well, which version is this then? I should be on the right track.
Take a look around. Shall do.
This thing doesn't work. Lights here turn on and off by themselves. Like some sort of script. But
Oh.
for some reason, the bathroom switch actually works. Nonsense.
Okay. Oh, wait, I can talk to you.
Why do you need glasses? Is your eyesight bad?
Huh? You don't like them? It's my style. And my eyesight's perfect, thanks.
I don't know about that one.
Mila. Why not Mika or Misa?
I'm Mila. That's it.
Okay, I get it.
That was the dumbest conversation ever.
I like the evening. When will nighttime come?
Nighttime? Don't even mention it. Otherwise, I'll start thinking about the endless days, just one after another.
Oh, shit.
Without any meaning.
My bad. I didn't mean to. Alright, let's go check that light then.
A mirror, but no reflection.
Look at you, always so dissatisfied. Look,
Oh, sorry.
I read all about reflections in books, but in my version, I can't quite make them, okay?
So, is there soap inside, or is it just a decoration?
No, look
Are
at
you
that.
an idiot? Most things here actually do act like the real deal.
Except for the fucking mirror. Huh. Oh,
How much do you know about nature? Ever seen real butterflies like this one?
No, but I have a book here somewhere. It even has little wings pressed in it.
you keep talking
It's
about
so
books.
smooth. Oh, this painting. It's a bit crooked. And there's a stain.
You keep saying books.
That's better.
Would you want to see the real thing? Go on a walk in nature?
Such a silly question. Obviously, I would.
Help me escape.
Why do you even read books? There's the internet.
The internet? It's full of lies. And I'd rather lie on the bed, holding a real book in my hands. All these books? It's all
That was the
thanks to
funniest
them
line ever.
that I know so much about this world.
These photos. Are
Oh,
they
fuck.
real? In other versions. Yeah, they exist, but they're almost too intense.
I'm Mila, got it? Not like the rest. And these, can you even call these photos? They're just drawings. Why pretend they're more than what they are? You know, one time I saw a bunch of Mitas. They were all standing around like this.
T-pose, T-pose.
Mila, hello?
Oh, she lagged. Oh,
After seeing that, I realized I don't want to be like that. It's disgusting.
Oh, a thoughtful gentleman. What do you need-
thoughtful gentleman.
You'll find out soon enough. And why
Oh.
are you always doing an impression of him? Relax a
What?
little.
Okay. Is that a toy katana?
It is not a toy katana. The slightest touch of this blade would make you bleed.
Then can I borrow it?
Studied the blade, unlike you. So you better be careful. Wouldn't want to see you slice your own fingers off.
I've already seen that today in the door. Alright, come on, let's go kitchen. Oh. Thank you.
Is this yours?
Stay back! I don't know what that is. It's a glitch of some kind.
Oh, my ring is vibrating for some reason.
What kind of ring? An engagement ring?
No.
It was given to me by one of the Mitas. One of the thousands of them.
Oh.
The one that might be able to get me out.
And you're going to touch that thing? You should know. I'm going to kill you if my house blows up.
It'll be fine. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? So goated. First try, baby. Oh, we're in someone else's house now. Oh, no, we're back. Where is she, though?
Hey! Get out! Can't you see the bathroom's occupied?
Oh. Is this where everyone goes in?
Still standing there!
I'm sorry.
Get out of here!
Ooh! Sorry, I'll leave.
Don't piss me off! Get out already!
I did! I'm out. Are you done? Oh shit, sorry.
What's that? You have no shame.
Why did you suddenly decide to take a shower? You could have waited until I was gone.
I don't know how long you'd be here. How much longer are you gonna keep messing with these glitches anyway?
For a while.
Glitches. There are more?
Yeah, well, if my house is still standing, I guess you've handled the glitch in the kitchen?
Yes.
Kinda did.
Good. Now you have my permission to go into the bathroom.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, what's this one? Ah, okay, I get it. I'm actually so fucking good. Alright, where are you now? In the kitchen. Why are you under the
Mila?
table?
What are you doing under there?
Ouch!
Oh.
You scared me again! What do you want?
Have you seen any more glitches?
Oh, so your problems are supposed to be an excuse to stop me from finishing my book?
Yes.
No, I haven't.
Alright, I'll go look by myself.
Hold on. I want to ask you. You're doing all this to escape this place, aren't you?
Yes.
That's right. I want to get out of this game.
This might sound strange, but won't you stay here and read with me?
First you yell at me, and now you ask me to stay and read books? Perhaps I would have stayed, but I have to keep moving.
Fine. Go on and look for your glitches.
I will.
It's the second time I've hurt myself. Because of you.
Ah, found it.
Okay, so what's this one? What? I don't get this. I get this. So this one becomes balls. Yeah. This one needs to... Yep. Yep.
you paying attention?
Yes.
Fear me. Look what I can do.
Don't cut him, please. Fuck you.
How dangerous I am. You didn't even have time to blink.
That was my friend.
What's wrong? Was that not convincing enough?
That's not it.
So, you've seen everything while solving those glitches, have you?
That was my friend.
Already knew the stone was pre-cut?
No, it's just we're in a game. Here you can do anything with a snap of your fingers.
You idiot! A snap of my fingers, huh? What do you think I've been reading all those books for? So I could snap my fingers and be done with it? I'd
Oh.
rather do everything with my own 2 hands. Exactly the way the books describe it.
Okay. Do I look for more glitches then? I guess so. Yep. Also, no, my bite's still here. Ow. So I'm pretty much just playing Space Invaders at this point. Space Invaders. Booyah!
What are you doing?
Can't you tell?
Yeah, but why are you doing them?
To punch you right in the face.
What's wrong with you? You're acting weird.
Okay, about the punching thing. I wasn't serious. And I'm not weird.
You
I'm
are,
unique. I
you
wanna
are
be
unique,
different
actually.
from everyone else as possible.
You don't have
You
to
know what?
try so
That's good.
hard. Trust me,
I guess.
you're already plenty different.
I know. Look what I can do. See that? And now, no hands.
I know this is a game.
What?
But this is ridiculously unrealistic.
Ouch. Stupid laws of physics. As soon as you remember about them, boom, this happens. Why did you have to remind me, dummy?
Oh, sorry. The laws of physics.
There's the passage. We did it, Mila.
What a creepy hallway.
It is
Are
pretty
you actually
creepy.
going in there?
I have to.
Yes.
Wow, you're a hero.
Ouch.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to.
It's fine, Mila. I can move on now.
Look, I know you need to go, but can't you stay here just a little longer?
No, I
Wait.
can't.
Crazy Mila isn't exactly the patient type.
I hate her.
Oh shit.
I hate her.
Are you alright?
Mila, listen.
Why am I even here? I don't understand.
Oh no,
I don't
are you alright?
understand why I don't understand. And why I'll never be able to get out of here.
I understand how you feel, Mila. Do you want me to come back once I'm done? If I can, that is.
Stay here.
I can't, I'm
Please.
sorry.
It's fun with
Fuck,
you.
does it actually make me
I
sad?
like being alone. And what if you don't succeed?
I will. I'm almost there.
I'm sorry. Bye bye. Fuck, this is. Actually, can I go back? Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Mila, no! You're insane!
What's this? Is that a new expression I see? Come on, give me more. I've had enough of
Oh, this is sick. This is amazing. Oh, shit. Ah. Okay, now we know at least. I'm so happy we get to see the chainsaw. That's all I wanted. Oh shit, it's not the same as last time, is it? Ow. Run! Run! Wait, how do I, okay, so I need to dodge the doors. That would have been helpful. I did learn the lamp means what way to go down. Fuck, run! Alright, E. And then the Q. It's a Q. Up. In E. E. Q. Come on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Run, Forrest, run! Oh, shh. Is it the giant cappy I saw? Oh. Bye. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Oh no. Oh no.
How's it going, my restless little wanderer?
Fuck.
Still running around? Haven't had enough yet?
What have you done to Mila?
So you haven't then. Perfect. Let's play another game.
Fuck.
You.
Let's kick things off with a little examination. We're going to check your coordination skills.
Oh no,
And
I'm bad.
we'll test your behavior. What if there's something wrong with you? What if you don't even deserve that skin? that
I
you're
do, I
so
do, I promise, I
proud to
promise.
wear? Take a look. Which one catches your eye? The right one? Or maybe the left one?
That's the left one. It is actually the left
Are
one.
you serious? How are they different?
I don't
I
know.
was just messing with you. Playing with knives is old-fashioned anyway. Forget about it.
Oh,
I've got something much better planned.
chainsaw.
Like... Check this out.
Oh, we got a
We
boombox.
need some music. What do you think of this tune? It gets
I
me
think the
excited.
tune could be a little
I'll
better.
Start with the rules. While the music is
Oh,
playing,
please no rules.
you're allowed to move. But when the music stops, don't move, or you're dead. The goal is simple. Make it to the end.
Okay, wait,
If
that's
you can get there,
kinda easy.
We'll continue. Why are you just standing around? Run, sweetie, run!
Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. I've played these games before. I'm sorry. That is such an old meme.
Look at you, so obedient. Perfect
Thank you.
Little specimen.
I don't like that.
I want you all for myself. That was way too easy, though, wasn't it?
Let me out.
Don't get too comfortable. We've got plenty more games to play.
No.
Next,
Oh no.
I'm going to close my eyes, and when I open them, I better not see you. Got it? If I spot you, you'll be punished.
So I
Now
need to
then,
crouch.
Let's begin.
This is pointless.
I understand now. Fuck. Ow, you bastard. I won't lie, I was about to run then, so I'm kind of glad. Fuck, that was close. Oh, fuck. You don't see me. Yes! Fuck, thank God.
You made it! You're doing great. This is getting exciting. But now it's going to get harder.
No, no.
Much harder. Scurry, hide, run in circles.
So I just gotta dodge
Damn
the
you to
bombs.
hell!
Okay. Oh, shit. Was that meant to happen? Ah, okay, yeah.
Oh, that was a close one.
Something's behind me. Oh. Oh, shit. What the fuck is that? What the fuck?
Stay here. I think I dropped something. I'll be right back. Then we'll go after another new world.
Yeah, come on. Get out of here. Piss off. Goodbye. Oh. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, shit. Do I not have a bat? Oh, shit. What the You want? I'll get it. Okay, where's your teddy? Oh, you did actually lose him. What the fuck is it? Where is he? Where the fuck did you put him? Ah, that's not it. Am I blind? Probably. Alright. I can find the floating cactus, but not the fucking teddy bear. It's gonna be in the cupboard. Oh, wait. Here he is. Oh, fuck. I don't like that. Here you go. Who are you? Oh, you're the first. Alright, that makes a lot of sense. That was rude. Oh. Okay, I'm really sorry. Uh-oh. Are you alright? Kinda terrifying, I won't lie. Oh. What are you doing? Oh, fuck. Do I just keep looping? How long do I do this for? Or do I have to go in a room? Oh shit! Oh fuck, why do you have to stop me there? Right, this is just like Dead by Daylight, I'm just fucking looping. You just stay there. Oh. What the fuck? Okay. Yep. Stay over there. I'm gonna go in the kitchen. Oh wait, can I just loop her here? Alright, alright, I'm looping. Alright, fuck it. Oh. Open! They got. Oh, okay. It is. Fuck! Why can't I go through? Am I just doing something dumb? Probably. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh! Oh shit! Finally! Wait. Oh my god, it's a good one. It's a good one. Yes!
The ring!
Shit. Yes! Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please go like and sub. Next episode will come out, hey, when it does. Alright, bye-bye.